Hello friends, good morning. Today we will revise some question answer, fill in the blanks, match the followings and answer in one word from NCERT book class 5th Mary Gold. Let's start the revision. Question number 1. Tick. Write the correct answer. Here we choose the correct answer from the option A, B, C, D. Here the word which is in red color, it is the answer of the question. Who? First is here the question number 1. Who loved to teach all the boys and girls in the story The Little Bully? Here the options are Harry, B. Fred, C. Reed, D. Harris. Here the correct answer is option A. Hurry. Which mode of transport is not found in a city? Buses, B. Cars, C. Taxis, D. Bullock carts. Most of mode of transport like buses, cars and taxis are found in the city, but bullock carts we do not found in the city. Third number. So the correct answer of the question number 2 is bullock carts. Third number. The girl would not let anyone play with her dash. Tricycle, doll, C. Train, D. Tractor. Here the correct answer is doll. Fourth number. Where did Harry's class go for picnic? A. To the seaside, B. To the hillside, C. To the forest side, D. To the river side. Here the correct answer is to the seaside. Fifth number. With which things would the boy never let anybody play? His bicycle, his tricycle, his doll, his tractor, his train. Here his train. Where are the people not found in a city? Where are the people not found in a city? Option A. In the field, B. In tall buildings, C. In stores, D. On the subway. Mostly we do not see the field in the city, in the mega city, in the big city. So the peoples are not found in the city. All are work in offices and also in a private job. Okay, so they do not found in the city. The people are not found in the field in the city. Which things do the people use to go up and down in tall buildings and in big stores? A. Elevators, B. Taxis, C. Taxis also, D. Subway. Here the correct answer is elevator. 8 number. The boy had dash he would not lend. Sweet, B. Doll, C. Book and D. Tricycle. Here the correct answer is tricycle. 9 number correct answer. 9 number Harry took a places not to dash the children anymore. Here a pinch, B, tease, C, prick and D all of this. Here the answer is option D, all of this. Harry took a place not to pinch, not to tease, not to prick the children anymore. Question number 10. The children who do not share their things, they fails to establish dash friendship, B, partnership, C, landship, D, ownership. Here the correct answer is friendship. Repeat again all these. Who loved to teach all the boys and girls in the story The Little Bully? The correct answer is Harry. Which mode of transport is not found in city? The correct answer is option D, blue card. The girl would not let anyone play with her dash. The correct answer is doll. Fourth number, where did Harry's class go for picnic? Here the correct answer is to the seaside. Fifth number, with which things would the boy never let anyone play? Here the correct answer is his train. Sixth number, where are the people not found in a city? Here the correct answer is in the field. Which things do not do the people used to go up and down in a tall buildings and in store? Here the correct answer is elevators. 8 number, the boy had dash, he would not lend. Here the correct answer is tricycle. 9 number, Harry took a place not to dash the children anymore. Here the answer is option D, all of these, but here A, B, C, pinch, tease and prick. 10 number, the children who do not share their things, they fails to establish dash. The correct answer is friendship. Now question number 2, answer the following questions. What are the things the girl did not want to share? Here the girl did not want to share her sweets, book and her doll. What did the crab do to Harry? Question number 2, what did the crab do? What did the crab do to Harry? The answer is the crab opened his pincers and nipped Harry's hand so hard that Harry yelled. Question number 3, which mode of transport do the people use to move around in the city? The people use buses, autos, taxis, cars, scooters, cycle, etc. to move around in the city. Question number 4, what are the things the boy did not want to share? The answer is the boy did not want to share his toffees, tricycle, and his toy train. Fifth number, what did Harry love to do? Harry loved to tease all the boys and girls who went to school with him, and also loved to do most was to pinch and prick people with a pin. Sixth number, why were the two children nobody's friend? The two children were nobody's friend because they do not share their things with anyone. Why was Harry angry? Here, the correct answer is the children did not want to sit near Harry because he always pinched. All the children played among themselves, leaving Harry alone, so Harry was angry. Harry was angry. Eighth number, what did the child in the last stanza want to share in the poem Nobody's Friend? The child in the last stanza wanted to share her sweets, ball, books, games, her half apple and cake. 9 number, what did Harry decided in the end of the story? The little bully. Harry decided not to pinch or prick the children anymore in the end of the story, the little bully. What are the things the people carry with them while moving around? People carry hats, umbrellas, handbags, briefcases, etc. with them while moving around the city. Question number 3a. Match the following. Here section A and section B. Here first is Gulliver, second Harry, third Louis Lansky, fourth Annie Pilton. Here section B, the name of the lesson, The Little Bully, Nobody's Friend, Gulliver's Travel, and Sing a Song of People. Here first is Gulliver. That correct answer is option C, Gulliver's Travel. Harry, the correct answer is The Little Bully. Louis Lansky, that is the correct answer is Sing a Song of People. Annie Pilton, the correct answer is Nobody's Friend. Now question number 3b. Fill in the blanks. First is Dash, who came close to Harry and pinched him. The monster Crab came close to Harry and pinched him. The people carry their dash and dash with them in the city. The people carry their hats and umbrellas with them in the city. The correct answer is that of the blanks is hats and umbrellas. Third number, another trick Harry played was pricking people with dash. The answer is a pin. Another trick Harry played was pricking people with a pin. Fourth number, the people can be seen rushing for dash and riding dash. Here the answer is taxis and elevator. The people can be seen rushing for taxis and riding elevators. Question number 3C. Write the meaning of the following words. C writes the meaning of the following words. First is subway. That means underground passage for people to cross. Second number, bruise. That answer is injury. Third, fright. That means fear. Fourth, trick. That means mischief. Question number 4A. Complete the lines of the poem. Here you will complete the line with the help of the poem which is given in your textbook. First is he had some toffee and ate every bite. He had a tricycle he would not lend. He never let anyone play with his strength. He is nobody's friend. People, second is people with on the subway underneath the ground, people riding taxis round and round and round. Here you will write down the complete poem in the solution of the questions. When you complete the lines of the poem. Question number B. Say the following sentences is true or false. The girl had book which she was not willing to share. Here the correct answer of the sentence is this sentence is true. The people have time to look at other in the city. Here the answer is false. Nobody wanted to sit near Harry. This sentence is true. People in tall buildings move in elevators. The answer is true. Question number 4C. Substitute one word of the following phrase. It is small body of still water. That answer is pond. It is underground passage for people to cross. That answer is subway. Question number 3. It is injury by blow to body. Here the answer is bruise. Question number 5A. Read the passage and answer the following questions that are given below it. Early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise. Early rising is healthy habits. It keeps us fit and fine. The morning air is cool and fresh. Morning exercise is very useful for our lungs. It keeps our body strong and healthy throughout the day. It is very calm at that time. There is no noise or sound. A student can read peacefully. He can learn his lesson easily and recall it well. So every student should get up early. What is a healthy habit? The answer of the question is Early rising is a healthy habit. What is useful for our lung? The morning exercise is very useful for our lungs. Early rising keep us dash and dash. Early rising keep us fit and fine. Why is morning exercise is very useful for our lungs? In the morning, the air is cool and fresh. So, the morning exercise keep us, our body, strong and healthy throughout the day, and it is also useful to our lungs. When can a student learn his lesson easily? It is very calm. At that time, there is no noise or sound. A student can read peacefully. He can learn his lesson easily and recall it well. So every student should get up early. Repeat again these questions. When can student learn his lesson easily? In the morning, it is very calm at that time. There is no noise or sound. So, the people can read peacefully. So, the student can read peacefully. He can learn his lessons easily and recall it well. So, every student should get up early and learn your lesson easily. Okay, my dear, I hope that you have revised some question answer from this video and also write down all this question answer in your notebook. Okay, thank you very much.